What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to see your model number on your iPhone. Now this is super helpful if you're getting work done on your iPhone or for whatever reason that you need to know your model number in order to access functions of your iPhone. This is a super easy way and quick way to do it. So obviously to start it out, you're just going to head into the settings and then you're going to scroll down until you see General and go to General. And then the first option under General is going to be About. And you're just going to click on the About tab. And then I'm not going to click on the About tab because I don't want the information from my iPhone getting leaked. But if you click on About and then you click about four tabs down, you will see a tab for model number. And then right next to the model number, it will show you what the model number is. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you have any questions regarding this method, I know it was kind of confusing without me actually being able to show you how to access it, but hopefully you could find it in the About tab. If you have any other questions, though, be sure to comment them down below. Other than that, if you found this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.